Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if OD is perpendicular to AB and angle DOC equals to 20 degree, find angle BOC minus angle AOC. Here, we have given that angle DOC equals to 20 degree. As OD is perpendicular to AB, so that O makes an angle 90 degree. Now, as angle DOB, angle COD and angle COA are in linear pair, so the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Now substituting here, this is 90 degree plus this is 20 degree plus angle COA equals to 180 degree. So angle COA will be 180 degree minus 110 degree, which is 70 degree. Then now we have to find angle BOC minus angle AOC. Angle BOC means angle COD plus DOB minus angle AOC. So here it is 20 degree plus 90 degree minus 70 degree, which is 40 degree. Hence, angle BOC minus angle AOC is 40 degree. So, from given options, we have option C as 40 degree. So, our correct option is option C.